Can I hold this? Stop. Can I hold this?
No, but I will.
You will?
No, so as you might know,
You can put it here.
sorry for doing it, but I'm remaking this for similar reason. But now I ran 60. So wait a few minutes for me to get back. Can you hold this, please?
Nope, I won't.
Please.
I need to hold this.
I need to hold this.
Okay, I will.
Hold it with 2 hands. And don't even let it fall. And make sure to move when I move. No, don't move when I move, actually. Move when I move. Just not exactly. So this is the water. So this is my water.
The deep part of the water.
Yes. My water route. It becomes let's come
Here. Hey, aren't you still doing it?
and then
Slice.
and then it goes that way.
Get to that.
And there you go. Bye.